Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tail light bulb on your Mitsubishi Mirage. First, gather your essential tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off before starting any work to prevent electrical issues and ensure your safety. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Next, open your trunk or tailgate to gain access to the tail light assembly from inside the vehicle. You'll likely see a few screws or clips holding the assembly in place. Carefully remove these. Once the fasteners are out, gently pull the entire tail light housing straight away from the vehicle body. It might be a little snug, but it should come free. With the housing removed, you'll see the bulb sockets. Identify the one for your tail light and twist it counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Now, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Take your new bulb and insert it firmly into the socket, making sure it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. Now, carefully reattach the tail light housing, making sure all clips and screws are securely fastened. Once everything is back in place, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light bulb to confirm it's working properly. This final check ensures your safety on the road. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.